I always wanted to create a robotic arm, because
why not? Who really wants to do boring tests with their own hands when you create a robot arm do it for you?
to create my robotic arm, I'm gonna use these 9-gram servos. I only have to design the arm around it and 3D-print it. Let's see if I can make a robot arm around it. See if it works. While testing the robot arm, I found a problem. The 9-gram servos are way too weak. I even tried adding counterweight with the rubber bands, but still not great. Look like I need to rethink this whole design.
So there is the problem, and to fix it I bought some more powerful servos. This servo is supposed to handle up to 13 kg per centimeter, which is hopefully enough for the arm. And this time I'm sketching out my idea first before designing it. The type of robotic what I am now building is called a 5-dove robotic arm, which just means it has 5 joints, each connected to one of the servos. Now that I have all my info, I jump back into CAD and redesign my robotic arm. I ran into a few problems along the way, but when I tested the servos I heard a weird sound, not exactly promising. So I took them apart and yep, the gears were plastic. I honestly thought they were metal. Lesson learned, don't buy cheap shit. Sure, I could spend more money on better servos, but I can also ignore it and keep building. There were still a lot of wires, so to clean things up I added a slot in the base what still allows to rotate, and also making a cable cover to hide the rest of the wires. It looks now much better.
Alright, now that the robotic arm is finished, I need a controller. For that, I'm going to use the ESP32. It is a small, powerful, easy to use microcontroller, and I use it on in various projects.
In the past I built myself with breadboards and a bunch of jump wires, but let's be honest, it looks like a bomb. Wires are everywhere, no clue which one did what, total chaos.
That's why this video is sponsored by PCB Way. They can really level up your next project with custom PCB, and they also do 3D printing and large scale material like ABS, PLA and even metal, and also do CNC machining.
And since PCB 11th anniversary, they got some awesome deals and coupons to bring your projects to life. But time is ticking, so don't miss out. So I designed the PCB and sent it to PCB Way. And they cooked up a beautiful PCB for me. I got all the parts for it, so let's solder those to the PCB. You might be wondering, why does the solder look like this? It is because I forgot to make proper holes in the PCB where the pin should go. But anyway, the first thing what I coded on my controller board is a little game. let's get back to the robotic arm. We need a way to control it. I can use inverse kinematic, which allows me precisely calculate where the robotic arm needs to go. However, this is quite complex and math isn't that easy. So instead I can use B4 controller and decide each movement to one of the servos. We have exactly enough controls for the servo, including the triggers. So we now know how we want to control it, so let's program it. So after finally getting code working, I connected everything to the robotic arm, but there was a small problem. Every time I connect it, it will automatically shut off. This happened because the transistor would regulate the voltage from 16 to 5 volt, only could handle up to 1 amp, and the servos needed much more than that. My plan to fix this was to use an external power supply, but before I could test this, one of the servos broke. So to fix this, I bought this time new servos with hopefully metal wheels. So now that we have better servos, let's put it in the arm, and hopefully it's gonna make it work. And as you see, just a moment, yes, I turn the control on and it, oh wait, just wait a moment. Is it gonna work? Oh yes, the robot arm works. The robot arm can do now almost nothing because it doesn't have a gripper. So to fix this, I built one. For that we're gonna use some 3D-printed parts, a servo and some screws. So now that we have put a gripper on it, the robot arm is done. And it is working pretty good. It's not perfect yet because I'm still controlling it by hand, but I'm not that good of a programmer that I can make it automatic. But anyway, I work way too long on this. But if you want to make it, I will put down below the files and step files and all that if you want to create this to yourself. And if you like this video, maybe leave a comment what I should do with it. And subscribe. I'm probably gonna create a whole nother video to improve this robot arm. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.